This 5-minute solution will show you how to change languages on iPhone keyboard. So if you're in your iPhone keyboard and you want to change or use a different language, follow this step-by-step guide. To change your keyboard language, first of all, you have to add the language in your keyboard. To do that, open your settings app, scroll down, tap on General, tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards, tap on Add New Keyboard, and here you have to select the keyboard you want to use. Once you added the keyboard, now go to a app or website and all you have to do is just open your keyboard. Once you are in your keyboard, tap and hold on this globe icon at the bottom left. And now from here you can change your keyboard language. Select the language that you want to use. And this is how we can change language on iPhone keyboard. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.